Watch this video to learn how to get the most out of using new Landonline's dealings application. We'll show you common system patterns, some tips and tricks, and how you can stay up to date with changes to the application. Hyperlinks are one of the system patterns you'll see and are used throughout the dealings application as a navigation tool. When a hyperlink is clicked, it will open a page related to that link. For example, clicking on a dealing ID will open up a dealing for editing. Within a dealing, hyperlinks are used for instruments to open their prepare pages. Clicking the transfer here will open its prepare page. You'll notice instrument hyperlinks scattered throughout the dealing. You'll see them in the ANI, Notice of Change, tax statements, Certify and Sign, and Release pages. Wherever you are in a dealing, clicking the instrument hyperlink will open its prepare page. Slide-out panels are another system pattern and navigation feature. Currently, the Dealings application uses slide-out panels to view or edit information for the notice of change, tax statements, correction and post-registration notices of change, and to view the dealings details. To open a feature that uses a slide-out panel, click anywhere on the row except the hyperlink. Click the X in the top right-hand corner to close the panel. Where there are multiple forms to update, you can quickly navigate to the next one by clicking on a new row. There are a few ways you can add titles to an instrument. If you want to pull through the affected titles from the previous instrument, simply select the Add Existing Titles to the Instrument button. Otherwise, you can use the Add Titles field to search by title reference. You'll see that the title reference is already selected, but you will need to click the Add Selected link to add the title to the instrument. Where you have multiple titles to add, you can search by an instrument number to generate a list of titles. You can select the relevant titles and then click Add Selected. You'll notice that titles have a registration status of Auto or Lodge. For Lodge titles, you can click on the warning icon to see the lodgement reason. If you've set up your default roles, you can quickly add your PC and CP names to the instruments you're responsible for by clicking the people icon to the right of the instrument. If your dealing has pre-validation warnings or errors, you can click the arrow at the end of the row to take you to that instrument's prepare page to make those changes. One thing to note is that arrows currently only take you to the prepare page for the instrument. For other changes required, such as a tax statement issue, use the left-hand navigation bar to go to that area of the dealing. When you're finished working on a dealing, don't forget to exit it properly so the dealing lock is released. To do this, select the blue back arrow next to the dealing number. You don't need to be in the Instruments and Roles page to do this. If you accidentally close the browser tab without using the blue back arrow, you can reopen the dealings application, search for the dealing, or look out for the pencil icon. Then open the dealing and use the blue back arrow to remove the dealing lock. For people who like to print a copy of the details for a dealing, you can use the browser's print function. Or you can simply press Ctrl P on your keyboard. Once you're logged into New Landonline, you can quickly switch and open other applications by selecting this icon here. Click on the application name to open it in the same browser tab. Or click this icon here to open the application in a new browser tab. To stay up to date with recent changes to the Dealings application, select the main menu, followed by What's New. You'll be directed to our website to view a full list of recent changes. Another helpful page in this area of the website is the production issues for new Landonline applications. In particular, the production issues for Dealings page. Here you can check and see any issues you may be experiencing and any workarounds. If your issue isn't listed, please reach out to our contact centre. Thanks for watching.